No one talks about these gym rules, but if you break them, you'll instantly get a look or you'll just look like a newbie. So let's talk about these 5 unspoken gym rules that every lifter follows. What's up guys, it's Yakshant with another freaking YouTube video, and today I want to be talking about those silent gym rules that no one teaches you but expects you to know. So if you're starting out at the gym, or you've been training for a really long time now, this one's for you guys. I'm a fucking star. Yay!
Yay!
Alright guys, let's talk about rule number 1. Don't hog the equipment. What I mean by that is, bro, if you're using 3 machines at a time or maybe 2 machines at a time, and you're just chilling between sets, then silently everyone fucking hates you. You gotta accept that. Because it's just that you're taking a lot of fucking machines and you're not focusing on your workout, and you're also taking rests in between, like way too long. People are actually going to be bothered by that. I have actually experienced it myself back in the day, like about 2 3 years ago. When I was at home, I was going ahead and using multiple machines at a time, and it was just like a mixed workout. And I always used to have, like, every fucking week I used to have at least 1 or 2 days where I'd be hitting mixed workout and making my entire body move. So yeah, make sure that you have a structured workout plan, so that you when you get into the gym, don't hit every fucking machine that you see, because that's really gonna fucking annoy people. You should at least have a basic plan what you should be hitting, or what workouts or what exercises that you'll be hitting, because definitely it's not that you're going to the gym for the first time, so you know what equipment there is, and you know which equipment works for which muscle group. So make sure that you have a specific plan. You're following a specific split, or maybe it's like a bro split, or maybe double muscle, single muscle. Totally up to you guys, totally whatever works for you. Let's talk about rule number 2, guys. Re-rack your weights. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. If you're not re-racking your weights, people are actually going to be hating you really much. I have actually experienced this myself. I personally hate people who don't re-rack their weights. They're just hitting really fucking like bowls, like hitting 35 kgs, hitting 30 kgs, and leaving the dumbbells like where they are. It's like really fucking annoying. So you guys make sure that you re-rack your weights. That brings us to rule number 3, guys. Respect personal space at the gym. So for example, someone is doing bicep curls, or maybe reverse grip curls with the bar or easy bar, I don't know, any kind of workout with dumbbells, or maybe in a specific machine that is just facing towards the mirror. Don't go stand in just in front of them and start working out, because that is really gonna fucking annoy them, because they are there for a specific reason. They are there to admire themselves doing the workout and focusing on that muscle group, because it really helps some people that they actually look at their muscle group while working out. That's me personally as well. So if someone actually comes in between, I would really fucking hate that. So make sure, guys, you are avoiding that. Make sure that you respect personal space. Someone is working out, make sure to have enough distance, so that you're not in the way of their workout. Maybe for example, the person is doing lateral raises and you are just right next to them, and they have to tell you to move, because people working out, and there are so many introverts. If someone is an introvert, they would not like approaching you to just ask for their comfort zone. So make sure that you're not getting into their comfort zone. Make sure at least you have 1 meter distance, one arm distance, one arm and a half. That would be sufficing the entire situation. So make sure that you have at least 1.5 meters of distance from the other person. That is how you respect personal space at the gym. Okay guys, let's talk about rule number 4, guys. Wipe down the equipment after you are done with the workout, after you're done with that specific machine. I mean, hard work is nice, is good, sure, but no one wants to touch your hard work. So make sure that you wipe down the fucking machine and clean once if there is sweat. But even in general, if there's not even a sweat, just make sure that you have a hand towel with you at the gym, and just clean it off, because it really helps with the fucking germs, other people's sweat. And there are so many people that who don't actually wipe down their fucking machines after getting done with the fucking workout. And again, telling you guys, it's really fucking worst that you're using your own hand towel to wipe out someone else's fucking hard work. I mean, no one likes that. Even you wouldn't like that one. I'm okay. Let me tell you. Okay, you guys tell me in the comment section below. Who's not bothered by someone else's sweat? Just that's fucking disgusting, guys. Drop it in the comment section below. People who actually do agree with this specific point. Okay, guys. Rule number 5: don't judge or laugh at anyone. And believe me, if you do that, people will notice you. Because that's what, there are a few people that are, really conscious about other people's behaviors. For example, like introverts, they will always be, looking or maybe observing other people. So if you even smirk, people will, you will catch their attention, and they will be able to guess if you are laughing at them or if you're laughing at someone else, and if you're laughing at someone else, who that someone else is. So make sure that you do not do that, because everyone has to start somewhere, right? So someone who is just starting off with who's basically just lifting a bar, they might outlift you even in the next 6 months. So be cautious of that. Everyone has to start somewhere, right? So make sure that you do not judge anyone by what they are doing at the gym. Just be with yourself, do your own workout, and do not fucking laugh, guys. And also make sure to refer to those 4 rules that we just talked about, and make sure you follow all these 5 rules. These are those 5 unspoken rules that every lifter follows, and everyone expects you to know. And no one actually teaches you guys this fucking rule. So yeah. So yeah, guys, these are the gym rules that no one actually talks about, or in fact, no one says these out aloud. But if you follow them, people instantly start respecting you, and they instantly have respect for your fucking work at the gym. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to get notified every time I fucking post a new video, because I post videos specifically every Monday and every Thursday. But this past week I have missed on my schedule, but this is me making up for those misses. Actually, I haven't missed any fucking video. I was supposed to post on Monday, but I posted on, I think, Wednesday. And then I was supposed to post on Thursday, but I didn't. So I'm posting it today. And I will be definitely posting another video tomorrow for you guys, so I don't miss the schedule. And yeah, guys, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next one. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notified. Fuck, bro. Or you will just look like a newbie, and